You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Latin phrase pronunciation. If you want to hear the whole phrase, that means I shall either find a way or make one. Stay tuned, I've got the complete pronunciation video for you. But if you want to just pronounce this part, two different ways. In English it's said as Inveniam Viam, Inveniam Viam. But in Latin the V is pronounced like a U, so Inveniam Viam in Latin, or Inveniam Viam in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.